There's a million different fun things to do with dry ice. So the first and most fun thing to do, I think, and the simplest thing is take your jack-o'-lantern that you've carved and put on your front porch. And the night of Halloween, you want to throw some water in it and some dry ice in it, and it will just smoke and smoke and smoke and smoke and smoke until the dry ice is gone, and then you can keep adding to it.
For the trick-or-treaters.
Absolutely. And if you want it to glow, you can put a glow stick in it. Now, what's interesting about
how long would a chunk like that last?
That's a good question. It really depends on the conditions around it. If it's in a cool place, it'll take less time to. It's called sublimate, and if it's in a warm place, it'll sublimate faster. It's kind of like ice melting. Think about that. If ice would melt in a warm place faster.
And by the way, I love that your jack-o'-lantern has Natitude on
yes,
today.
It absolutely has to have Natitude. We were lucky enough to go to the game last night, and we were freaking out. And I said, I'm going to do something about the Nats on the segment tomorrow.
Are you going to today's?
No, I wish.
I know,
please,
right?
Someone send me tickets, and I will happily go. Please,
I don't
please.
think anybody's going to give those tickets up, Mary. I don't think so.
No, but it was so great. So anyway, this is my tribute to the Nats last night. They were awesome. Go Nats. But anyway, so that's fun. Tell me, do you know what dry ice is? This is what makes it so interesting for kids. It's the solid form of carbon dioxide, okay? And what makes it so interesting is it doesn't, when it quote-unquote melts, it doesn't go to a liquid. It goes straight from being a solid to a gas, which is what you call sublimation. That's the word of the day, sublimation. And the other interesting thing is that the gas, when it comes off, is heavier than air. So see how it's pouring down out of the pumpkin?
Oh,
so it's kind of, it's being pushed down because it's more dense than the air around it.
That's what makes it look so cool.
Exactly. So that's why it kind of clings to the ground and makes it look spooky. Okay.